Want quick access to your favorite apps on Windows 11? In this video, I will show you how to add app icons to your desktop in just a few simple steps. First method, using the Start menu. Click on the Start button, search for the app you want. Right click on the app, select Open File Location. Click Show More Options, select Send to Desktop. And just like that, your app icon appears on your desktop. Next method is drag and drop. Click on the Start menu, click All Apps, find your app, click and drag it to the desktop. This method may not work for all apps, but it's quick if supported. And that's it. Now you can easily access your apps right from your desktop. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple tech tips.